Good evening. I'm Dorly C. Santos. I'm a midwife. I'm currently working at Gutad Health Center as a midwife. I have a work experience also in hospitals, in Pampanga Medical Hospital, Pampanga Medical Specialist Hospital for many years.
Okay. What are the basics of the circulatory system and respiratory system?
What are the basic?
Apo.
The circulatory system is made up of blood vessels that carry blood away from towards the heart. What is the system? The respiratory system is the network of organ and tissue that help you breathe. It includes your airways, lungs, and blood vessels. The muscles that power your lungs are also a part of the respiratory system. Work together to move oxygen throughout the body and clean out the waste gases like carbon dioxide.
Okay po. Factors affecting the health of these systems.
Factors affecting this, syempre yung body weight,
Okay.
the age, and the environment. Yun yung nagiging cause ng effect ng mga respiratory. Nasa din yan, yung lifestyle natin, nakaka-affect din siya sa sa circulatory at respiratory system natin.
Okay po.
So, dapat maging conscious tayo sa mga kinakain natin, at saka iniiwasan natin yung exposure sa mga sigarilyo, yung mga ganon, second-hand smoker. So, yun yung mga dahilan minsan na nagiging cause or effect ng ating circulatory at respiratory system.
Okay po. So, practical tips for maintaining healthy circulatory and respiratory system po.
So, tulad nga nung naging sinabi ko, healthy diet.
Apo.
Tapos, exercise, at least 30 minutes exercise a day. Deep breathing. Tapos, siguro sa respiratory, dapat siguro minsan nagkakaroon ng cause ng allergy yan. Yung mga asthma, magkaroon ng flu shots yearly. Mas maganda kung meron sila. Tapos, deep breathing exercise. At saka deep breathing exercise para sa lungs, para ma-expand lagi yung mga lungs natin.
Okay.
Iwasan din na magkaroon ng high blood pressure. I-control natin yon para hindi maapektuhin yung ating circulatory system.
Okay po.
Tapos, syempre, number one din, find healthy ways to ease our stress. Kasi minsan nakaka-affect din yung yung stress sa atin, lalo na yung sa circulatory natin.
Okay.
Minsan nag-hyperventilate tayo or tumataas yung natin.
Okay po, thank you.
Tapos, get help kung nagdinigarilyo ka, get help to quit smoking. Tapos, manage condition like diabetes, high blood pressure, at saka yung high cholesterol. Kasi yun yung minsan nagiging cause nagiging problem sa ating circulatory at saka sa ating respiratory system. Eat heart healthy diet. Ano yung mga eat heart healthy diet? Yun yung mga vegetable, fiber, low in saturated, processed. Iwasan din yung mga processed food. Consider natin yung Mediterranean style diet or plant-based diet.
Okay.
As they appear the most heart-friendly. Kung mapapansin natin, yung mga nasa Mediterranean, sila yung mga plant-based diet. So, sila yung mga most heart-healthy.
Okay.
Tapos, yun nga, exercise. Let's aim at least 150 minutes physical activity every week.
Okay.
Siguro, relevant, proper awareness lang. Awareness about circulatory, awareness magkaroon ng flyers or mga program about the circulatory. The RHU meron naman mga program yan regarding sa mga health may mga health education sila, health teaching, especially sa mga nag-i-smoke na mag-quit ng smoking kasi it really affects our respiratory system and circulatory system.
Okay po.
Yun lang, health education lang.
Okay po.
Aral mabuti, iwasan yung stress na ano sa kanila. Tapos, i-balance nila yung time management. Dapat may time sila to exercise, healthy living din. Iba pa rin yung healthy living. Iwasan yung mga processed food kung maaari kasi yung mga students natin mahilig yan sa mga chichirya, sa mga matatamis na pagkain. So, iwasan natin yun. Tapos, enough sleep. Laging yung pagtulog natin, at least maka 8 hours tayo. Tapos, drink plenty of water lagi.
Okay po.
Yun
Thank you
lang.
so much po.
Sige, salamat!
Thank you po.